Hello everybody, Camilo Casanga here from Santiago de Chile. I am the principal percussionist of the Policía de Investigaciones de Chile concert band, and I feel really happy and honored to be endorsed by this amazing company from the UK, Collision Drumsticks. I've been playing drums for almost 28 years now. I first started when I was 6, now I'm 34, so it's been a really fun journey all these years behind the kit. The 7A Rich model from Collision Drumsticks, super high quality, the balance is just perfect, and the weight and the length just feel great in my hands. Another great thing about these sticks is the durability. It doesn't matter how hard you hit, even if you play some really heavy stuff, these sticks are going to handle it. So thank you to all the people of Collision Drumsticks for the opportunity to be part of this family and the support of my career.